Yeah, one of my bulbs got real dim, so I was checking to see if it was the starter for it. And then I went to put it back, and the little tabs came loose, so this just pushes that contact up there, the socket. She's pushing it way up, so I got to take all this off and see if I can fix this socket for the starter. I'm going to go ahead and remove the bulbs. Alright, now I gotta go ahead and pull this cover off. And it snaps off right here. Pull these past these tabs. Go ahead and remove this starter out of the way. Here's a little tab, the clips that hold this fixture on. See how that one is on there? So I need to just bend these out a little bit. That way they'll have some tension to hold them on. Put this socket back in. See if it will hold. It's locked in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the cover. Okay, I got the cover installed. I'm going to reinstall the starter. I get these pins lined up for the holes in there. It's going to take a minute. Okay, I got both starters on there. Okay, now I'm going to reinstall the bulbs. Make sure they're in there right so they don't fall. Okay, now I'm going to turn the light on, make sure it works. See that furthest one, it was slow starting and it's really dim. So that's my first problem I had to run into. See what I needed to replace the starter or light bulb. Alright, what I'm going to do is swap bulbs. And it's still dim on this side, then I notice the bulb and not the starter. Alright, let's turn the light on and see if there's any difference. Yep. The dull light bulb is on this side and the good one is now on the other side, so that tells me it's the bulb and not the starters. So I just need to change out that bulb. Okay, now I got my bulbs replaced. There we go, got my light fixture working again.